Cats are known for their unique and often mysterious behaviors, and one common behavior that can leave cat owners puzzled is when a cat sits with its back turned to them. At first glance, this might seem like a sign of indifference or even a lack of affection. However, in the feline world, sitting with their back to you is actually more often a sign of trust and comfort than anything else. Understanding this behavior requires a deeper look into cat body language, how they communicate, and the ways in which they bond with their human companions. One of the key reasons why cats sit with their backs turned to their owners is that it demonstrates a level of trust. Cats are naturally cautious and often view their environment as a potential threat. In the wild, a cat must remain aware of its surroundings at all times to protect itself from predators. When a cat turns its back on you, it's essentially exposing its most vulnerable side, showing that it trusts you enough to not need to be constantly vigilant. By sitting with its back turned to you, a cat is indicating that it feels safe and secure in your presence. This is particularly true if the cat is in a relaxed position, such as lying down or sitting with its tail wrapped around its paws. The act of turning its back is a clear indication that the cat does not feel threatened by you, as it is confident that you are not going to harm it. Furthermore, cats often display this behavior as a form of social bonding. In the wild, cats will often sit with their backs turned to one another in a display of trust. This behavior is a way for them to demonstrate that they are not hostile and are comfortable in each other's company. When a domestic cat turns its back on you, it may be signaling that it views you as part of its social group or family. It is a form of communication that says, "I feel comfortable with you," and "I trust you to respect my space." Cats are often more independent than dogs, and their expressions of affection or comfort are sometimes subtler. Sitting with its back turned could be seen as a quiet form of affection, rather than a rejection. The position a cat adopts while sitting can also be an indicator of how it feels in the moment. If the cat is sitting with its back facing you but its body is relaxed, and its tail is not twitching or rigid, it's a good sign that the cat is comfortable and at ease. A relaxed, turned back position indicates that the cat feels safe enough to let down its guard. However, if the cat is sitting with its back turned but its body is tense, or if it's sitting in a defensive posture, such as with its tail tucked tightly around its body, it could suggest that the cat is still uncertain about its surroundings or its relationship with you. In such cases, the cat might not yet feel fully comfortable, and it may be an indication that it needs more time or positive experiences to feel secure. Interestingly, cats can also exhibit this behavior as a way of maintaining control over their territory. While this may seem counterintuitive, a cat that turns its back to you may still be keeping an eye on what's going on around it from a more relaxed position. Cats have an exceptional ability to monitor their environment, even when they appear to be resting. Their peripheral vision allows them to keep an eye on any movement in the room, so they may appear to be ignoring you by sitting with their back to you while still being fully aware of your presence and any actions you take. In this way, turning its back could be a cat's way of showing that it is confident in its environment and doesn't feel threatened by you, as it is able to keep tabs on everything happening around it. This behavior is not just limited to interactions with humans. Cats also turn their backs on other animals and fellow cats as a sign of trust and social peace. It is common for cats to show their backs to other cats as a way of signaling that they are not a threat. In a multi-cat household, a cat might turn its back on another cat to show that it is not in competition for territory or resources. Similarly, in a family with multiple pets, a cat might turn its back to its human as a way of saying that it is not worried about losing attention or affection to other pets. This behavior can serve as a nonverbal way of establishing peace and indicating that there is no need for conflict. However, it's important to note that while this behavior is generally a sign of comfort and trust, it can sometimes be a sign of a cat simply wanting its own space. Cats are very independent creatures and enjoy having time to themselves. If a cat sits with its back to you and appears to be avoiding direct eye contact or interaction, it could just be that the cat is in the mood for solitude. Just as humans might prefer some personal space from time to time, cats also value their alone time. Sitting with their back turned is an easy way for a cat to signal that it is not currently interested in interaction but that it still feels comfortable and secure in its environment. It's also worth noting that the context in which this behavior occurs can influence how it should be interpreted. For example, if a cat sits with its back to you while you're sitting down or relaxing, it's likely a sign that the cat trusts you and feels safe. However, if a cat suddenly turns its back on you in the middle of an interaction or when you've been trying to pet it, it might be a sign that the cat needs a break from attention or that it's becoming overstimulated. Cats have different tolerance levels when it comes to affection, and if they feel like they're being overwhelmed, they may turn their back on you as a way of saying, "I need a little space." It's important to respect these boundaries to maintain a positive relationship with your cat. In some cases, a cat might turn its back on you as a sign of subtle defiance or a desire for attention. Cats are clever animals and are well aware of how their actions affect those around them. A cat might turn its back to you during an interaction to express its independence or to gently remind you that it is in control of the situation. This is particularly true in instances where a cat is accustomed to being the center of attention and may want to assert some level of autonomy or play hard to get. While this might seem like a rejection, it's usually just a playful or subtle way for the cat to communicate that it wants things on its terms. Cats may also use turning their backs as a means of avoiding confrontation. In situations where a cat is uncomfortable or feels threatened, it may choose to turn its back on the perceived threat rather than engage in an aggressive or defensive response. This is often seen in situations where a cat feels cornered or in a position where it cannot escape. Turning its back in these scenarios might be the cat's way of trying to diffuse the tension and avoid conflict, signaling that it does not wish to engage in any hostile behavior. In addition, a cat may turn its back on you to provide comfort and reassurance in times of stress. If a cat is feeling anxious or unwell, it might prefer to sit with its back turned to you as a way of seeking comfort without direct interaction. The cat may still appreciate your presence but may not want to engage in physical contact at that moment. Cats often seek out familiar, safe places to retreat to when they are feeling uneasy. And by turning its back, the cat may be positioning itself in a way that feels both safe and comforting. When a cat sits with its back turned to you, it's most often a sign of trust, comfort, and security. This behavior is a way for cats to communicate that they feel safe enough to expose their vulnerable side to you. It shows that they are comfortable in their environment and view you as a non-threatening presence. However, the context and body language surrounding this behavior are important to consider. If a cat is turning its back on you to avoid interaction or because it's feeling overwhelmed, it's important to respect its boundaries and give it space. Understanding the nuances of your cat's body language and behavior will help you build a stronger bond and deepen your relationship with your feline companion. Cats are complex creatures with rich emotional lives, and their actions, like sitting with their back turned to you, offer valuable insight into how they feel and how they communicate.